Here we go again with everyone's favorite box fan, the Lasko 3733. This one was a particularly good deal because it came with a lot of free dust. That is ridiculous. I think this is the worst one I've ever seen in person. Somehow, the local OK Will valued this at $8. I can't believe they didn't look at this and just throw it out. I mean, this is beyond usable to probably 98% of the population. But I paid the $8 because the video will pay for it many times over, and I enjoy cleaning up these really filthy, super far gone instances. It probably still runs. I would be very surprised if it doesn't. There is a chip missing out of the blade, so it might sound a little funny. It probably would have shaken anyway, so it doesn't make much difference. The motor is plugged too. Although, interestingly enough, it looks like down into the windings isn't all that bad. This is usually what causes these to fail when it gets to the point where no airflow is passing through there. Wow, look at that mess. That's crazy. So this one is from, wow, it's a 2021 model, so this is only a couple years old. Ugh, I can only imagine the filth in the environment that this was used for it to get like this after just a couple years. Wow. Well, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it runs. I'm sure it probably does. It's very, very rare to see one of these not work. It does have the infamous fuse plug, which will keep us safe, and of course, for some reason, it's all mangled up. So let's fix that. This has been kicking around the garage for a couple weeks. It's possible this got mangled in the garage here, and it wasn't like that when I got it. I don't remember. Of course it works. No surprise. It's probably not going to move any air, but in concept it works. The bearings aren't even stiff. I think it's just running slow because there's so much drag from all the extra dust on the blades. And it is horribly out of balance. And funny enough, the chipped side is not necessarily the lightest either. Doesn't sound real healthy, but I'm not surprised considering what it looks like. Capture the startup sounds. Not much to speak of in the startup sounds department. That is 0.44 the amps, 50 the watts, power factor 96. That's all pretty reasonable. And as expected, this moves no air. I can't even really feel it up close. There's just nothing. In typical fashion, I bet this was donated to the thrift store because it stops working. That happens quite often around here. I don't know why people think that the thrift store is a garbage dump, but it is not at all uncommon to find broken things at the thrift store. The dehumidifiers and so forth, although it's totally unethical, I understand it because it's expensive to dispose of them, so-called properly in accordance to local regulations. But a fan like this can just go in the trash. In fact, I pull them out of the trash all the time. So that's moving no air on low. Let's try the medium. On the medium, it is taking 0.5 the amps, 57 the watts, power factor 96. And yeah, there's just no air. It's actually coming out the back partially because it's trying to move air forward and obviously can't because it's just full of dust. And what's even more baffling to me is that this had to have been used like this for a significant period of time, because this kind of dust doesn't build up overnight. This takes a long time to get like that. So this was used by somebody in some household like this for a while, moving no air. Yeah, it's shaken, but not really anything more than usual. These always shake something awful. And the air is just like, there's some air right here where it's kind of clear, but there's nothing to speak of over here. It's like bouncing out around the sides, and there's some coming back out the back. This is just a disaster, this thing. You get a little bit of flow here, but that's it. It's just plugged. See, the paper should be sticking, and it's not. It's like bouncing back. See, it should be like that, and it's not. The air's coming out the back. But you can see it's trying to move some air. And by some miracle, there actually is still airflow through the motor. I'm not sure how. On high, that's 0.58 the amps, 69 the watts, and power factor 1 on the nose. I thought maybe the cap might be drifting because it seems like it's running a little bit slow, but it would not be power factor 1 if the cap was bad. So I guess it must exclusively be to the fact that there is so much extra drag on the blades from the dust and the lack of the air being able to actually move through the fan. And now the heater just started up, but that's what that noise is. Yeah, the bearings are perfectly good still. Can't make this stuff up. This is just caked. Good grief, look at that. Wow. Well, we'll get it back to like new.